Good morning, Wildcats. My name is Anaya, and this is your Cat's Eye News for Monday, January 30th, and Tuesday, the 31st. We'll be right back with your announcements. Stay tuned. Now on to a video about turning your books in at the bookstore.
Oh, dang, bro. I forgot to turn in my textbook.
I got one too. I need to turn it in.
Hey, man, we gotta find the bookstore. You know where the bookstore at? All right, we're gonna have to go look for it. All right, let's go.
You guys look at the video about
At the top of our show today, the Character Crew meets this Thursday, February 2nd at 4 p.m. in room 187. Everyone, even if you've never attended, is welcome to join. The Crew is a group of like-minded students and teachers who believe in the art of listening. They advocate for every student and seek to help in times of need. They learn and discuss strategies for assisting others and how to better speak that support. Questions? Ask Mrs. Embry in room 187. The bookstore would like to remind you to please return any textbooks from the first semester classes of marine biology, zoology, sociology, AP Econ, and astronomy. These books are in very short supply for second semester students attempting to take these classes. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated. In performing arts, the Ellen choirs and piano students had a great weekend at ISSMA, Solo and Ensemble contest. Many received gold rating. Great job, Cats. In athletics, the Ellen wrestlers locked in 11 wrestlers for regionals next weekend after a strong showing this past weekend at sectionals. Two Wildcats, James Despain and Robert Samuels, even won individual sectional championships. Fantastic work, man. The girls and boys basketball team both had good weeks winning both games. The girls basketball team took on Center Grove at home, finishing with the easy win at 64-54. Girls sectional actions opens up this Friday against North Central. The boys played Center Grove at Center Grove with the final score of 61-48. Way to go, Cats. The girls swimmers and divers have sectionals this weekend. Come out and support these young men and women. We'll have more coverage on this later in the week. And don't forget, Cats, the Northside Madness game is this Thursday, February 2nd. Tickets are on sale in Ellen Athletic Office, $10 now, $13 at gate. Games are LC versus North Central at 6 o'clock, and then Ellen versus Carmel at 8:30 at the Indiana Farmers Coliseum. Get your tickets today and see you there. That's all we have for you today, Cats. Have a great week, and go Cats.